Okay, sige. Attention everyone. Alayon, anay. Oo, humana naman kita nakapareha po ni may kusog-kusog na ulit niya na. At this juncture, let us have the blowing of the candles of our cake, of our two celebrants. May request tayo na tuwan-tuwan. Candle girl, pasok! Tapos, after hindi kita pag-andaman nung natong message. Okay. Tita, mga tita, sige. Birthday wish. Ayan.